26th of March, 2021. What the hell? 2021. I just had a conversation with a friend who was talking to me about her 13-year-old son, and I'm thinking it must be 1953. I mean, the fact is, in all aspects of medicine, kids can get the help that they need. I mean, adults too, but kids can get the help they need simply by going to their family doctor. And if their family doctor is alerted to the fact that something is really wrong, then they are, bang, in to see a specialist. But my friend called me feeling so hopeless because her son, who was probably a little bit anxious before the pandemic, has fallen into this terrible depression and this terrible anxiety. And he's been seeing a therapist once every 2 weeks. And not surprisingly, it's not getting any better. And there's just no one who can offer or was willing to offer advice as to where she can go. It's 2021. And why is it that a parent has to figure out what route to take? A parent has to try to decipher this system. Do I go to a psychiatrist or a psychologist? Do I go for this or for that? You know, do I look for medication? What do I do? And that doesn't even take into account the idea that how do you get in to see these people? Our system is not failing. Our system does not exist. And it's most concerning when it involves our kids. 13 years old, you can't fight for yourself. You need your parent to fight. And fortunately, he's got great parents who will fight for him. But what happens if he didn't have great parents? My friend was telling me that people keep telling her to relax and people keep saying, okay, like you're getting carried away. You're too panicked. You're acting too motherly. And I'm here to say that when it comes to mental health, in particular at this time in the pandemic, when we know that teenagers are taking their own lives because they're lost because of the pandemic, you're way better off erring on this side of being too cautious, being too parental than you are not enough. It's 2021 and it's time that there was help that we don't have to go searching for. Sicknotweak.com, 24 hours a day, 364 days a year. You know what, Case?
Thought so.
That's me. Why'd you think so?
Because your energy was out of control.